I found this recipe on Instagram and I grabbed it. It's now become my favorite cookie recipe. You start with a mini muffin pan and put a little bit of nonstick spray on there and go ahead and get your Reese's cookie dough, and it comes in just the exact right size. You put one piece of cookie dough in each muffin pan slot and you put it in the oven for 14 minutes on 350 degrees. So after the cookies have been in the oven for approximately 14 minutes, ours took a little longer, kept them in for 16 minutes. You pull them out, you unwrap your Reese's peanut butter cups, and you gently press a Reese's peanut butter cup in each one of the freshly baked cookies. So that's what I'm doing right here.